Good morning students. In the previous class we have done few questions of exercise 9.1. We have learnt how we can represent rational numbers on number line and how we can compare two rational numbers, are they equal or not. Now similarly, proceeding ahead, the next question of this exercise, that is question number 7, we will discuss today. Question number 7 is, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Simplest form is a form after which it cannot be reduced further. Simplest form एक वो सिचुएशन आ जाती है जिसके बाद वो फ्रैक्शन या वो रैशनल नंबर और छोटा नहीं हो सकता है. So the first one is -8/6. Now very easy it is. 8 and 6 both are coming in the table of 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Minus sign will come as it is. So the answer is -4/3. Similarly, in second part, it is 25/45. Now both 25 and 45 are coming in the table of 5. So what it will be? 5 5s are 25 and 5 9s are 45. Now in third part, it is -44 upon 72. Now 44 and 72 both are coming in the table of 2. सबसे पहले हमें दिख रहा है कि दोनों की दोनों. सो लेट्स सी, 2 से करेंगे -22/36. नाउ अगेन 22 and 36 both are coming in the table of 2. So that will be -11/18. Now it can't be simplified more. So the simplest form of this will be -11/18. Next part we will see. In this I am having -8/10. -8/10 both are coming in the and 2 5s are 10. The correct answer is -4/5. Now this is all about question number 7. In question number 8, we have to fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. हमें symbol लगाना है that is of greater than, less than or equal to. Means we have to compare two rational numbers. Now while comparing two rational numbers, we have to keep few things in mind. What are those things? Now supposingly if the comparison is between positive rational number and a negative rational number, okay, then definitely the positive one is bigger. बिना कुछ देखे आप बता दोगे positive rational number is always bigger than the negative rational number. Now if the comparison is between positive and positive rational number, both are positive, then first thing we have to see that whether the denominators are equal or not. If the denominator is not equal, then we have to make it equal by finding LCM. Accordingly the numerator will also change. So the number with greater numerator will be bigger. What will happen? The rational with greater numerator will be bigger. ठीक है. Now supposingly the comparison is between a negative and a negative rational number, then what will happen? Now supposingly I have to compare between -2 and -3. Now right now I am not taking any rational number. -2 and -3 both are integers. ठीक है. तो नेगेटिव में क्या होता है, जो छोटा होता है, the number which is having less magnitude is bigger, or in other words we can say the number which will come on right side of the number line. Supposingly if I will draw the number line 0, -1, -2, -3. So -2 is coming on the right side. So -2 is bigger than -3. तो नेगेटिव में उल्टा होता है कि जिसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा होगा नंबर वाइज, that will be bigger. But in this also, first of all we have to make the denominator equal. When the denominators are equal, then only we can compare the numerator. Otherwise if it's not equal, we have to find the LCM. Now let's see the questions. First part. In first part I have -5/7 and 2/3. इसके बीच में मुझे कंपेयर करना है. Now we can see this is negative and this is positive. So definitely this one is bigger. Without doing any calculation, I can say that this one is bigger. Now similarly in second part, minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Now in this both are negative. Now we have to look at the denominator. Denominator are not same, they are different. So I will make it same by finding LCM. 5 और 7 का LCM 35 होगा, into 7 into 5 into 5. So this will become minus 28 by 35 and this will become minus 25 by 35. Denominator is 35. Now look at the numerator. This is minus 28 and this is minus 25. Which one is bigger? 25. Minus 25 is bigger. So this symbol will again come. Now in third part, it is minus 7 by 8 and 14 upon minus 16. Now see, again both are negative and denominators are not same. So either I can make the denominator same by taking LCM, or I can see that this 14 by 16 can be simplified. इसको हम simplify और कर सकते हैं. Both are coming in the table of 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So this is coming 7 upon minus 8. Now minus 7 by 8 and 7 upon minus 8. Both are same. Both are representing negative rational number. So they are equal. Now in fourth part, the question is minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 4. Now again both are negative and denominator is not same. So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 5 into 4, 8 into 4, 4 into 5, 7 into 5. This will be 20, 20, minus 32, minus 35. तो कौन सा बड़ा है? minus 32 बड़ा है या minus 35 बड़ा है? If I will exclude minus sign, then 35 is bigger. But with minus sign, this minus 32 is bigger. Okay. Now let's look at fifth part. In fifth we have 1 upon minus 3 and 1 upon minus 4, or it's minus 1 by 4. Now again we can say that both are negative and denominator is also not same. I can shift this negative sign to here for my convenience. Now LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 into 4 into 4, 4 into 3 into 3. Denominator will be same, 12, and here the numerator is minus 4 and here the numerator is minus 3. तो minus 4 बड़ा है या minus 3 बड़ा है? Definitely minus 3 is bigger. Okay, now we will look at sixth part. In sixth we have 5 upon minus 11 and minus 5 by 11. Now both rational numbers are same by value and sign. Here the denominator is having negative sign and here the numerator is having negative sign, but both are same, so equal sign will come. Now next is 0. If I have to compare between 0 and minus 7 by 6, 0, आप नंबर लाइन को देखिए, नंबर लाइन में 0 आएगा, then negative will come here. Now which is coming on right side? 0 is coming on right side. 0 is always bigger than any negative number, क्योंकि नेगेटिव नंबर में 0 राइट में आएगा, उसके बाद यहाँ सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स आते हैं. सो वॉट एवर नंबर इज कमिंग ऑन राइट साइड विल बी बिगर. सो 0 इज बिगर. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज विच इज ग्रेटर इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. मतलब हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में भी क्या करना है? कंपेयर करना है फ्रैक्शन रैशनल नंबर्स को. नाउ सी इन 9 फर्स्ट पार्ट 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. Which is greater? Now both are positive. We have to make the denominator equal. So this will be 3 into 2, 2 into 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 2 into 3 into 3. So this will be 4 by 6 and this will be 15 by 6. So which is bigger? 15 by 6 is bigger. Means 5 by 2 is bigger than 2/3. So this was in first part. Now similarly you will look at second part. In second part the numbers are -5/6 and -4/3. Now again I have to take LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. तो 6 को हम into 1 कर लेंगे and 3 into 2. This will be -5/6 and another will be -8/6. अब नेगेटिव है, सो नेगेटिव में जो छोटा है वो बड़ा होगा. दिस इज बिगर, विच मीन्स -5/6 is bigger than -4/3. In this way we can compare other parts also. Similarly when we will look at third part, in third part is -3/4 and -2/3. Okay, it's actually 2/-3. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है साइन नीचे लगाएं या फिर ऊपर लगाएं, both are same. Now again we can see that denominators are not same and both are negative numbers, so we have to take LCM. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 4 into 3, so 3 into 3. And 3 into 4, 2 into 4. So this will be -9/12 and another one is -8/12. So -8/12 is bigger than -9/12, means -2/3 is bigger than -3/4. Okay, now in fourth part is very easy. We can see that one number is negative and one is positive. तो हम बिना कुछ किए बता सकते हैं कि 1/4 is bigger than -1/4. Positive is always bigger than negative. Now in fifth part, they are in mixed fraction, -3 and 2/7, and another one is -3 and 4/5. So in the first step I will convert this mixed into improper fraction. It will become 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23. So it is 23/7, and this minus sign is only showing negative rational number, nothing else. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19. So that is coming -19/7. Sorry, -19/5. Now the denominator is not same, so we have to take LCM. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So 7 5s are 23, 5s are 5 7s are 19, 7s are. So what it will be? 5 3s are 15. It will come -115 upon 35, and another will come 7 9s are 63, 7 1s are 7, that is 133/35. Now we can see that this number is smaller in magnitude, but since they are negative, so this will be bigger, which means that -3 and 2/7 is bigger than -3 and 4/5. So by finding LCM of the denominator, we can compare any rational number. These are two rational numbers. Now in question number 10, I have to arrange in ascending order, and while arranging I am having three rational number, -3/5, -2/5 and -1/5. Ascending order means छोटे से बड़ा. अब यहाँ पे देखिए बहुत अच्छी बात है कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो हमारी एक मेहनत कम हो जाएगी एलसीएम निकालने वाली और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करने वाली. डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट डाउन द आंसर. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम. अब न्यूमरेटर को देखेंगे, सब नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव में उल्टा कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि जो बड़ा है वो एक्चुअल में छोटा होता है. तो सबसे छोटा कौन है? -3/5, देन -2/5, देन -1/5. नाउ इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर दिस साइन वी प्लेस, क्योंकि ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है, फिर ये छोटा है और ये बड़ा है, तो साइन लगाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू शो दैट दिस इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, दिस इज इन फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ व्हेन आई विल डू सेकेंड पार्ट, in second part I can see the question is -1/3, 2/9, -2/9 and -4/3. Now the denominators are not same, so we have to take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो 3 और 9 का LCM कितना आ जाएगा? 9. So 3 3s are 9, minus 1 into 3. This will remain as it is and this will also be multiplied by 3. तो कितना हो जाएगा? minus 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9 and minus 12 by 9. Now we can easily compare ascending order, छोटे से बड़ा. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? ये minus 12 by 9, then minus 3 by 9 and then minus 2 by 9. Now what are the actual numbers? minus 12 by में लास्ट वाला जो है minus 4 by 3, then 3 by 9 मतलब फर्स्ट वाला, minus 1 by 3 and then minus 2 by 9. So this is the correct order of ascending order. Now one more part is there, that is 8th part. इसमें हमारे डिनोमिनेटर्स क्या हैं? minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. ठीक है. अब देखिए इसमें आप देख रहे हैं डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है पर न्यूमरेटर क्या है? सेम है. एक बार को मान लेते हैं कि यहाँ नेगेटिव साइन नहीं है. ठीक है, भूल जाते हैं कि नेगेटिव साइन है. अब ये हमारा जो 3 डिनोमिनेटर सेम, न्यूमरेटर सेम है, इसमें हम केक वाला कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं. ये क्या है? केक के पीसेस हैं. जितने, और ये क्या है? नंबर ऑफ गेस्ट है. जितने ज्यादा गेस्ट बढ़ेंगे केक का जो पीस पर पर्सन है वो उतना ही छोटा होता जाएगा. ये केक है और नीचे क्या है? नंबर ऑफ गेस्ट. अब सपोजिंगली इस केक को खाने के लिए 7 लोग आए हैं, इसी केक को खाने के लिए 2 लोग आए हैं और इसी केक को खाने के लिए 4 लोग आए हैं. तो सबसे छोटा पीस किसको मिलेगा? इनको, फिर इनको, फिर इनको. तो अगर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन नहीं होता तो ऑर्डर, अगर मुझे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर करना होगा तो क्या होगा? 3 by 7 पहले आएगा. ओके, 3 by 7, then 3 by 4 and then 3 by 2. 3 by 7, 3 by 4 and 3 by 2. This will be the ascending order sequence if the numbers are positive. लेकिन numbers क्या है? नेगेटिव है. और नेगेटिव है तो मतलब इसमें पॉजिटिव से बिल्कुल उल्टा हो जाएगा. तो इसमें सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 4 and then minus 3 by 7. Sign is same, only the order has been changed. क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव ना होकर क्या है? नंबर नेगेटिव है. तो अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है then we have to think about the story of cake. ऊपर वाले न्यूमरेटर क्या होते हैं? केक होते हैं और नीचे क्या होते हैं? नंबर ऑफ गेस्ट. अगर गेस्ट जितने ज्यादा होंगे पर पर्सन जो पीस है वो छोटा होता जाएगा. तो ये सबसे छोटा था, फिर ये था, फिर ये था, लेकिन ये था पॉजिटिव के केस में. नेगेटिव में इससे जस्ट उल्टा हो जाएगा. सो नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 9.1 एंड वी हैव लर्नड हाउ वी कैन कंपेयर 2 or 3 rational numbers, how we can arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Now the next topic of this chapter we will study in our next class. Thank you, students.